Coconut laddoo. Ingredients: dry coconut powder 1 cup, sugar powder 3/4 cup, raisins 12 pieces, milk powder 1 cup, boiled milk 5 to 6 teaspoons. Method of preparation: preparation time is 5 minutes. Cooking time is 10 minutes. Step 1. Mix coconut powder, milk powder and sugar powder in a bowl. Slowly add milk and shape the mixture into laddoos. If required, you can add more milk, but it should not become very sticky. Step 3. Garnish each laddoo with raisins and serve. This will serve 3 people. On the basis of this recipe, answer the following questions.